Now the sun is, well, let me pull this back down. The sun is right up there. So it hasn't gotten to the windshield yet. But let me see what this one does. Let's see if I can get my camera to focus. Welcome to Travel Around Suzy. Today I am excited about this product. If you are in a Chevy, a GMC, or a Ford that's not like a Transit or a Sprinter, this company works for us and I love it. So I'm excited. I reached out to this company, which this company is called Van, V-A-N, and then the letter N, and then Camp. And we're going to do an unboxing. I am super excited to see what they sent me. And they taped it up really good. Let's see. That's what keys are for. There's one. And then we'll open up the second one. I love the bags. So let's throw the boxing aside. So most of you know I do a lot of DIYs. And I've already got these in DIYs. But I want something that looks a little nicer. Do not sew, but look at this bag. I love the easy storage already. I can tell you it is nice. There you go. Instructions, love it. Now, these cover the front windows, the side, driver side, and passenger side. Look at that snap. And this is for the front windshield. Now, I know you can't see this in the video, but oh my gosh, I am really impressed with the thickness. That I love. That is going to help in Michigan weather. Oh my gosh. And my windshield is big. Look at that. So I'm going to take you over to the van and I will show you how this actually fits. I'm super excited about this one. I love how thick it is. And look, it folds right up. And I'll show you what I'm currently using versus this one is going to be so much better. Oh, I'm so impressed. All right, so that's in bag one. And I love that it comes in a bag. Love it. And then here is the side windows. Now this is just for the passenger in, okay, let's do it this way. Let's pull both of them out at the same time. So they sent me the passenger side. It is windy out. It's already knocked over my camera once. So these are the window shades. And I want to talk about these for a minute. So this is a nylon. So that is definitely good for all weathers, especially if you have condensation. And they have earth magnets. I don't know if you can see that, but right there is the earth magnet. Ooh, and it's windy. But they are sewn. Right, here's one, here's one, here's another one, here's another one, another one, another one, another one, another one. They are not skimpy on the material. Oh, yes, windy. So there is nylon, There is reflective in here, but it is a thicker. And then they have a 3M insulation in here. So let's go get in the van and try these bad boys out. I'm super excited. And by the way, while I was talking with this company, they have been phenomenal on responding to me. So I suspect that this company is a good company to have products by. But I will let you know that. Let me show you with the window. I'm going to pull this down and we're going to come up here to the window. Look at that. Now, I know this is not an accurate test, but this just gives you an idea. So the window was in the 90s, and this is in the 60s. Hear the sound? I love that. All right. Now we put this back up. I still have my plastic up here. And then I have this felt right here for my screen. In the summertime, you can do the screen. And let me show you. Look it, guys. I do not have to take my plastic off the door. It fits right there. Look at that. Look at how awesome that is. It just clips. Now, eventually, I will be taking that plastic off. Let me shut the door here. And look at, so with the door shut, it fits perfect. I love it. Now this is only the unboxing. You guys know me. I will do an unboxing and then I'm gonna use it. And as I use it, I will let you guys know. But honestly, I am so impressed with the quality. I like these little tabs up here. I love that I can pull it down. So in the summer, I can leave my window down and have that cracked like that and still have some privacy. Love that. I love how quiet they are. And this windshield one fits my windshield. Now, I've had other ones that sort of fit. Like, I will show you this one here. This is another one that I bought. It's just at a generic store. Doesn't cover my whole windshield. And then, so definitely see some really good perks with this. And look at wrapped around the mirror here. I mean, just a little tiny bit. I love how they overlapped. They overlapped this. That is amazing. I will put the link down in the description for you guys to go check out these. Everybody that uses my link will get a 5% discount, excluding any other offers that are offered on the website. And anything that you purchase using my links that I have, I get a commission on anything that you purchase there. They also have a rent cover that I am super excited to get I hope to get one soon. And they have it for the back doors. Hang on. So they have instructions. But they have it for the rear doors. They have it for the side doors, the crew window. This one I'm super excited about. So, and they also too have some, you know, I already showed you the front door, so you already know that. And the front window. And then they also too have screens that they are doing for the side door and the way back. And sorry, my van is a mess because I'm filming and getting ready for a live stream. So let me know down in the description or in the comments if you liked this video and have any questions about these van in camp covers. I'm super excited. All right, guys, stay safe. Safe travels.